Jerk meals are incredibly popular in Jamaica and are one of Jamaica's most famous foods. There is a special method for cooking meats that result in this flavor, and a particular homemade sauce that is used in most instances for the incredible, spicy taste. Served with rice and peas, this is one of the heartiest and most delicious meals you will have in Jamaica. You'll find it being offered at most local Jamaican restaurants and hotel you visit. A fried whole fish, usually then topped with pickled vegetables, including carrots, onions, peppers, pimentos, and chayote. Jamaican often paired with bami as a side dish. Ackee and codfish, or ackee and saltfish as it is more popularly known, is Jamaica's national dish.